Cut the onion in half and peel it.
Slice the onions. Separate cloves of garlic. Cut off the root end of the garlic. This way, the garlic will be easier to peel. Then, slice the garlic thinly. Cut the squash into 4 parts so each piece won't be too big. Then, remove the seeds from the center of the squash using a spoon. Peel the squash as well.
Now, let's slice it horizontally into thin pieces. Next, prepare the bok choy. Cut off the ends and sliced it into 1/2 centimeter pieces. There's still one squash left that I haven't sliced. Let's cut off the ends of the string beans and slice them into 1-inch pieces.
Let's add another sachet of coconut milk to the vegetable. Place the coconut milk in a mug, add water, and dissolve it. Stir the coconut milk mixture. Add 1 shrimp cube so it's all done in one step. Add 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste to a bowl to mix it with the Ginataang Gulay.
I wash the string beans in water.
After that, wash the squash. The last one I washed was the bok choy. Prepare the pan. Melt a little butter in the pan and add a bit of oil to prevent the butter from burning. Sow the garlic and onions when the oil is hot. Add the shrimp paste.
Drop in the string beans.
Next, add the chopped bok choy. Pour in the dissolved coconut vegetable mix. Sprinkle with pepper. Cover and simmer for about 30 minutes. Open the lid and add 2 pieces of chili. Once the other vegetables are partially cooked, add the pumpkins.
Add 1 piece of shrimp cube. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Add the creamy coconut milk. Stir it again. Let's taste its flavor. The taste is so delicious. We tested the squash and it's already tender by mashing it. Pour in the creamy coconut milk over the vegetables. It's time to transfer it to the container. If you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much to all of you.